Learning is the foundational process in our life. We are born to learn, and without learning, we don't progress. One learning is when you enjoy learning, you learn things, you want to learn information, you learn content, you seek knowledge, you seek wisdom. Goal is personal learning. But then there is another kind of learning which you learn for mastery in skills, mastery in the things you need to perform. If you are a professional working in an organization, or you are a businessman who is expanding the business, or an executive handling a large team, your goal is to acquire the proficiency in your job role or the project or an assignment you're doing. Your goal is the professional success. These are two different approaches that people need to adopt depending on what their goal is. When it comes to professional business, learning has to be purpose driven. Learning has to have a purpose. Learning is not for the sake of learning, not for the sake of accumulating knowledge. It's for the sake of gaining the proficiency or mastery in the skills what you're going to need moving forward.